Hello all, how are you doing? I hope all of you are doing fine, staying well and preparing well for your upcoming exams. So we know that we need to appear for exams, right? So that is the first phase that we clear. Once we clear, it's obvious that you'll be called out for interview, right? So I'm here to give you a few tips regarding your interview session. Okay, so these are the key points which you can keep in your head while appearing for an interview. Okay, so first thing, I won't waste time, I'll go to the points directly. First point is your appearance. Okay, whenever you go to an interview, always make sure that your appearance is to the top notch. Okay, whether let it take it the smallest thing, that is your hair, then your shoes, everything, right? It should be well polished and everything. Okay, and also I know that you have heard the saying, right, that a shoe decides a man's personality. So keeping your shoe polished is a very important trait also. And also having a good appearance will obviously attract the attention of the interviewer towards you. Okay, so suppose generally in such interview, if there is a mass candidates who have come for interview, generally what they do is, to make the things easier, they keep group sessions. Okay, and in group session, that's where your appearance plays a key role. Okay, in that session, when you'll start speaking, okay, so they will see who has a good appearance, right? Who has come, like totally, like he looks serious that he needs a job, right? So appearance plays this key role. This is the first point. Second point is to introduce yourself. Okay, so you should prepare a very well sentenced word for yourself while they ask you introduce yourself. This is the first question which every interviewer asks you. Okay, if not introduce yourself, they might ask you your name and all, so that is a different thing. But most cases what they do is, to see how you introduce yourself, they will ask this question of introduce yourself, right? So this is the question that they will ask you. So to answer this question, what you should do is, you should be well prepared. Okay, you make a paragraph, you write it down properly. Okay, and then what you will do is, you will memorize that properly, and then you will just pick up that thing during the interview when they'll ask you the question, introduce yourself. ঠিক আছে, এই কথাবিলাক আমি গম পাই গ'লো। নেক্সট কি হ'ব? নেক্সট তুমি যাৰ ইণ্টাৰভিউ দিব গৈ আছা, সেই কোম্পানীত ধুনীয়াকৈ নলেজ লৈ লোৱা। Any organization, it is government, private, anything, you must have a great knowledge about that organization. See the past of the organization, okay, how it started, when it started, right? So having these key knowledges will literally drive the interviewer towards you. Okay, so like that time he will have no option except to accept you. Okay, he will literally accept you once he knows that you have gone through all the details of the organization that you want to work with, right? So that will literally play a key point in your interview. Okay, so these are the 3 points which we should keep in mind. And also now I'll talk about the don'ts. Okay, so don't just go with a casual attitude. Okay, make yourself look as if you literally want the job. Okay, because interview also plays a very important role at the last stage of your selection. Okay, you have to be well prepared. Okay, change your appearance. Suppose now while preparing you did not get time to shave your beard, right? Then cut your hair and all, so kindly go get a haircut. Okay, shave. Generally in interview it is always preferred that the candidates come with a clean shaved, right? He comes clean shaved. So I'm talking about the men. And for female also, female are, they are well known about their appearance, so they are always concerned about that. So for appearance parts, it's okay for the female. Just I'm talking about the man, right? So you do that, right? And what else can I say? Yes, you should have the knowledge of the organization what you're joining, right? So these are the key points we should keep in mind while appearing for an interview. And also ending the interview is very important. So being thankful to them, right? Greeting them really well at the end of the session also plays a key role. So these are few points. It just mood thoughts hoy je moi use korichilu when I appeared for the interviews, right? Ebur points moi loi pala interview disilu aru mur selection hoisile. So tumalogoko hekane moi just guide koribo kane ebur points bilak koi disu. Okay, so I hope these points will be really helpful to you. So just keep on this point. And most important thing is introduce yourself. So make a paragraph, write your weak points, your strength, what are your hobbies, everything. You write in a paragraph and you show it in a story way, picturesque way. Okay, picture की तरह उसको दिखाओ. You have to show it in a picture way. Okay, so that the interview gets, he gets interest in your story. Okay, and also one more point is that wherever you're working before and now you're joining here, do not say negative points about that past organization. Okay, doing that is a very bad trait and it's totally a no. Okay, you should not do that, because see, the interviewer thinks that you're working there before, you were earning any amount there, right? And now as you have left, you started to tell all the negative points about that particular organization where you were working. So that means even the interviewer thinks that, okay, while taking you were taking, but when you left, now you're betraying the company and you are just, you know, so this plays a very bad trait. So do not do that. Okay, wherever you're working, just say, if you have leave for some reason, just give a genuine reason that, sir, because of maybe some personal matters, I could not continue that organization, right? Or maybe, you know, you have responsibility you need to take up, that's why that company, you know, you could not follow up. So you can give such valid reason, but do not give bad reviews about the previous organization, that what they have done to you, right? And why you left, right? Putting personal grudges and all. So this point should be kept away, right? So that's it. I won't keep the session too long. I hope this will be really helpful for you, right? The do and don'ts. So I've mainly mentioned the 4 points in this video. So that is all. That's all the things that you should keep in mind. Okay, and also sitting position, gestures and all that, I don't think so I need to explain it to you. You are a graduate, right? You know all those points. I'm just telling you what are the things that you should prepare while going for an interview. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this session was really helpful to you. So thank you all. Kindly stay tuned. I'll keep bringing such videos for you, right? So thank you.